Hi friends. Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Isabel. I'm happy to see you on my channel. "600 grams pork tenderloin, about 1 1/3 pounds. Pork tenderloin is super tender and cooks really fast, so it stays nice and juicy. Cut the tenderloin into medallions. You can toss it in a quick marinade, pan-sear it, or roast it, and it always turns out great for any meal. Cover the meat with parchment paper. Pound the tenderloin really well. Add salt. Add black pepper. Flip the meat and repeat the same process. I'm really curious to know the city you're watching my video from. Pork tenderloin is lean, high in protein, and full of flavor. Tenderloin gives you lots of protein without much fat. Let it marinate for 20 minutes. About 5 medium potatoes. Potatoes are one of the oldest veggies in the world. People have grown them for over 7,000 years. Potatoes are rich in potassium, vitamin C and B6, improve digestion, and support heart health. water, salt and boil the potatoes until soft. Parsley. Parsley is not just a garnish, it's packed with vitamin K, important for bones and blood vessels. Three garlic cloves. Garlic, a natural antibiotic, strengthens immunity, lowers blood pressure and cholesterol levels. This recipe is incomparable. I highly recommend trying it. Two eggs. Hit that like button, or my dish might get its feelings hurt. Eggs are a great source of protein and essential vitamins that support overall health. Three tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Add the garlic. Mix well. Add the parsley and mix well. Enjoy a delicious treat that's high in protein and good for digestion. One tablespoon flour. Coat the meat in flour. Then in the egg. Coat it in the prepared mixture. Repeat the whole process for the remaining pieces of meat. Thank you for the comment, like, and subscription. Vegetable oil. Fry for 2 minutes over medium heat. Fry for another 2 minutes. Fry all the pieces of meat. Add a little butter. One tablespoon flour. The butter should absorb all the flour. Add 200 milliliters of broth, about 3/4 cup. One tablespoon Dijon mustard. Simmer the sauce for 2 minutes. Add a little butter to the potatoes. Make mashed potatoes. (150 milliliters warm milk, about 2/3 cup). Friends, thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, it's the best reward for my work. Subscribe to the channel so you won't miss new videos. See you in the next videos and take care. Enjoy your meal.